smiling while their girlfriends knelt to their lap. I go home all alone, I wish that I was better from to get a little taste of that. And it's driving me crazy. And then I start thinking